Welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze a NACA airfoil for its modal analysis. We will start by double-clicking on Modal module. The material which is used for airfoil is generally aluminum alloy. So I'll first go to Engineering Data and double-click. Engineering Data Sources. I'll go to General Materials. I'll choose Aluminium Alloy. Then I'll go to Project and Update Project. Next I'll go to Geometry and right click. I will import the geometry of NACA 2414 airfoil. I'll double click on geometry because I want to check if the model is proper. Now we'll first go to extrude and I'll change this depth to 500 mm. I'll change the direction to normal and generate. So this is the airfoil that I want to analyze. So I'll now close this. Then I'll go to model and double click. I'll go to line body here and I will suppress this one. Also I'll go to surface body and suppress it. So this is a solid that we are going to analyze. The material here is structural steel, so I'll change it to aluminum alloy. Then I'll go to mesh and I'll give the element size as 0.01 meter and generate. Next I'll go to model and here I will give boundary condition. This end, right click, insert, fix support. Then I'll go to solution and solve. These are 6 modes for which we have obtained the frequency. That was obtained from this analysis settings. Max modes to find is 6. This is by default. If you want to increase or decrease the number, you can do it. Now I'll go to solution and right click here, select all. Right click, create mode shape results. I'll go to solution and solve once again. Now we can see the total deformation for the first mode where the frequency is 38.88 Hz is 1.74 meters. If you want, you can see the result in mm as well. I will leave it to meter itself. Next is for total deformation 2. Here the frequency is 241.92 Hz and the total deformation is 1.77 meter. You can animate and check the result. Then we'll go for the third deformation. The deformation value is 1.738 meters and the frequency is 262.13 Hz. You can again play and see this result. For the first one I didn't show you, it is like this. Then we'll go for the fourth one where the frequency is 445.51 Hz and the deformation is 3.11 meter. You can animate and check this result. Then we'll go for the fifth one. The frequency is 670.32 Hz and the deformation is 1.75 meter. For the last one, the value of frequency is 1293 Hz and the value of deformation is 1.877 meter. You can also animate and check this one. So that's how you go for the modal analysis of an airfoil. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.